I'm not sure, Emily. But we're just trying to check on him.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna say.
Someone call my name?
Yep, it's Emily, which is me.
One of these days. Were you trying to check up on me?
Yeah, sure. How's school going?
Oh, pretty decent.
I don't think anyone has said that before. What about you, Jake?
Oh, uh, I think we're getting kind of sleepy. I don't even know what to say.
Now you're fine, Jake. Thanks for checking up on me.
Sure thing, boss.
Yeah, sure thing, friend.